Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the Unifi Controller is online and reachable from the AP's network. Get the controller IP and make sure controller service is running. Once done, power the AP on and, if needed, factory reset it so it will search for adoption. Next, set the AP's inform URL, either SSH to the AP, and run the setinform command, or use the mobile app's provisioning option, because telling the AP where to call home is the core first actionable step. After the AP knows the controller location, open the Unifi controller and go to Devices. You should see the AP listed as pending adoption. Click Adopt, supply the admin credentials if prompted, and let the controller push the configuration. This step performs provisioning and often a firmware update, which can take several minutes. While provisioning runs, assign the AP to the correct site and radio profile, enable the desired SSIDs, and confirm uplink status, so the AP will serve clients properly once complete. Once provisioning finishes, verify the AP shows as connected and healthy, confirm the SSID is broadcasting, and connect a client to test authentication and throughput. Make sure radio settings, channel width, and power levels match your design. Check logs and device health for anomalies. If something goes wrong, a single key troubleshooting tip is to verify the inform URL and controller reachability. Also confirm necessary ports, for example, TCP 8080/8443 and UDP 3478, firewall rules, and SSH access, because most adoption failures stem from connectivity or inform mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.